realities of playing the violin. Your violin actually sounds better the more you play with it. So the more you play on your instrument, the better sound it actually gets. Okay? So sabi nga nila, the violin is a living thing still, no? It's made of wood, and most of the time wood adjusts to the weather, and it also adjusts to what you give it, which means the vibrations, right? Diba? So the more the instruments vibrate, the more it gets used to those vibrations. So habang, sabi nila, habang tumatagal, lagi mong ginagamit, laging nagva-vibrate yung instrument, nasasanay siya. Nasasanay yung mga grooves of the grains, diba? O yung mga grain ng wood, that is where the sound travels. So as the sound travels through those grains, parang lumuluwag siya, no? Dahil may pumapasok doon na vibration or sound. And as that happens, it opens up those woods, it opens up those grains, it opens up ultimately the sound. Kaya mas lumalakas yung violin the more that you actually use it. But kapag hindi mo naman ginagamit, kabaliktaran yung nangyayari. Those channels slightly close, and then the sound becomes less and then more muffled. So parang nagtutunog ngongo, no, kung tawagin natin. Ayaw lumabas ng sound. That's why new instruments usually needs to be broken in, 'di ba? Lagi mong ginagamit continuously hanggang sa masanay na siya dun sa vibrations na kaya niya i-produce. So usually a week or two to get the best quality sound. Now, the problem is, of course, pag nakuha mo na yung sound na yun, you have to also maintain it. And in order for you to maintain it, you have to play on it on a regular basis. So the same way sa mga museums, 'di ba, yung mga Strads and all, they are still being played frequently, no? Not sure kung gaano katagal, but maybe I think once or twice a week, I don't know. Pero they are still being played on. Kasi pag hindi, magsasuffer yung quality nila. So, sipin mo, yung stud nga laging tinutugtugan. Yun pa kaya mumurahin mong instrument. Diba? Para mapagana mo at lumabas, you get the most out of your instrument, whether that's a cheap instrument or a more expensive one. Make sure to play on it. And follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.